This is how to use My Planner in Ayoa. My Planner helps you prioritise your personal workload by only showing the tasks that you're assigned to. You can schedule your tasks in now, next and soon status and work around a time that suits you. To view your planner, go to the main menu by clicking the 3-line icon on the toolbar and click on My Planner. You can also find the icon at the top right of the app, right next to the home icon. This view is like a summary of all of your taskboards, so you can easily keep track of your most important projects. Unlike a regular mind map or taskboard, nobody else will be able to view your planner and you will not be able to view anybody else's. You can schedule your assigned tasks into your chosen category by simply clicking Unplanned Tasks on the left. Just drag and drop your tasks in the Now, Next or Soon column. You can also send your tasks to your planner directly from within a taskboard by clicking on the Plan This drop-down menu in the Task sidebar. Last but not least, you can instantly add tasks in the planner by double-clicking inside any column.